Welcome to One Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here we have cyclohexane contain two carbonyl group as a ketone and ester. You are reacting with sodium borohydride. You should find what will be the final product. The reaction involves chemoselectivity, meaning ketone is reduced rather than ester. The reactivity of ketone is higher than the ester. Because ester has lone pair of electron and oxygen, it can donate the carbonyl, reduce the positive charge. So positive charge is reduced by lone pair donation, so it is least reactive. And sodium borohydride is a weak reducing agent because boron hydrogen bonds are stronger. Electronegativity of boron is high, so H minus release is not easy. Poor reducing agent, so definitely ester cannot be reduced because of both weakness. Only carbonyl is reduced. The concept we outlined here is sodium borohydride cannot reduce the ester. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.